I'm going to show you guys a super special thing that we do to our heads here. Our Cummins Duramax, every single head that comes through the shop comes through this machine. You could say that this is the most used machine in this shop. This machine is going pretty much full time every day, and it's the most simple machine in the shop, but it's the most important step when you're building a head. So what we have set up here is I've got a Duramax set up with this plate, and what we're going to be doing to this head is we're going to be pressure testing it. So the reason we pressure test these heads is to check for any cracks, any holes that have been poked through the ports or anything like that, that it's going to cause a internal coolant leak or cause any leaks, any combustion leaks, anything like that. So what we do is, since your coolant system is only pressurized probably maximum about 16 psi, we turn this thing up to about 30 psi. And the reason we turn it up so high is we can make sure that that head is not going to be leaking at all. And it's especially important on these aluminum heads. You'll find weird leaks in the ports and in the injector holes and stuff like that all the time. So it's a super important step to do. And then we also are pressure testing it with air, because air is going to leak where water will not. So it's thinner than water. The air molecules are a lot thinner than water molecules, so we're gonna see bubbles. If this thing is cracked, we're gonna see bubbles everywhere. So we're gonna get this thing pressure tested, and I'll show you how that works. We hook this thing up. So now the head is pressurized. We have all the coolant holes and everywhere that we're pressurizing blocked off. So we've got this plate on here. On these Duramaxes, that's all there is. And then we can also check if these freeze plugs are leaking. And we all know that the Cummins are notorious for those freeze plugs leaking. We rarely see them leaking on these Duramaxes, but still a thing that could be a problem. So if somebody didn't have enough coolant in their coolant system and it was full of water, then that water would freeze and it could crack those freeze plugs and blow those freeze plugs out. So we just want to check and make sure that that hasn't happened as well. Now the head's going to get a bath in here, and we're going to see if this thing's leaking. So we're just checking all these ports, making sure that there's no bubbles coming out. We're going to check our freeze plugs, check our injector holes, check the guides. If the guides were drilled, if the casting shift was too bad and the guides were drilled off a little bit, they could be leaking up through the guides. Just checking every port everywhere we can on here, making sure there ain't a leak. Checking the exhaust holes, the exhaust, and this is going to be a good head for us. So that one passed inspection.